Good evening. Our research team is taking on the research of studying tablets in the classroom as being used by educators. Our original literature review actually looked at use by students, and we thought it might be different to actually take on a study on how educators use tablets in the classroom and if it improved their efficiency. The problems though that we saw in possible use for educators is that some educators might be very technology savvy, while others may not be. And then other areas that we thought might be problematic is whether or not technology was supported by the school system in general or by administrators in general, and whether or not training was readily available for teachers and educators that were not immediately tech savvy. The research questions that we came up with that would focus our research were: how do tablets impact instructional practices in the classroom? How can administrators provide approaches, strategies, and tools that promote proficiency with tablets for teachers? And how does tablet proficiency impact the teacher's effectiveness in the classroom? Our research design, we are actually doing a qualitative research analysis. They're actually going to look at 7 teachers from Lives Elementary School near Atlanta, Georgia. And each of these teachers has varying skill already in the technology field. And so that's good because we'll see, those who already have some skill, those who need to learn some skill, and they will incorporate all of these into a very collective study approach and qualitative research. The proficiencies will be investigated with considerations to each teacher's personal professional experience, and each person's experience in her classroom or his or her classroom will be theoretically different from, say, a veteran teacher who maybe has less tablet and online experience. But they're getting a good cross section with varying degrees of online experience as well as educational experience. This particular school system is one of the lowest performing school systems, so it might also be a challenge to get this technology there. They're going to use the teacher technology proficiency instrument prior to beginning the study, and that was put out by the Sacramento County Department of Education. And following the 8-week period, once the study is completed, they'll be given the perceived learning instrument to see how they did after the study is over. There will be interviews and different things, lots of documentation, and also one of the individuals conducting the study is a graduate in online technology. So a lot of things, the people doing the study will have to make sure that they try to stay objective in the study as they do this. All in all, I think it will be a very interesting study, and it'll be interesting to go back and see what the outcomes are, and if the use of tablets in the classroom actually adds to the efficiency of the teachers and educators, and including if the instructional information added to their literacy in the use of tablets as well.